My name is Lucy, and we're making backyard hanitizer. You need aloe, essential oil, which is lavender, and then alcohol. And these are the ones that you buy at the store. And then, the only word I know is water in here. This is an aloe plant, and it's pointy on the edges, and it's sticky inside. Here's the aloe gel. It's good for pain and sunburns, and I'm going to put it into the top of this blender. Look at me.
That's good.
Now that I have my alcohol in, I'm gonna add some lavender in. Look how much? 3 drops?
Just a few drops. Okay, that's good.
That smells so good. Good?
Yep, and then
Let me get out of the way.
Is that good, do you think?
yep.
Okay. Now we made our batch. We're going to pour it into this bottle. That's open. Then we have our 2 batches. And then we're going to put our labels on. Here's one of the labels that I'm going to put on one. And now the other one. Wait, is this gonna fit even? These are 2 bottles that we finished. They look so good.